So now we have a beautiful view. Beautiful flowers, beautiful view.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rue de Ici, which I think this is like straight of the view. And there's a Macau Jockey Club, and this view is because you can go some exercise stuff here, I guess, but you can go directly up there, and there's a pretty amazing view. So I'm gonna try to go there right now, and I'll take the camera with me so you can see it. Actually, some of these apartments are pretty cool too. So take a look at these. How massive that is. So I'm going to bring the camera in, and then we're going to go up to the top and get a really good view. Put in there, push one. So okay, so we're going to get up to the top in a minute. Then you're going to see this view. And I'll put myself in here for a second, and so you can see some of the elevator. You have a security camera up there. You have some warning signs of what not to do. No smoking, I guess. Different things. Okay, let's get this view underway. Here it is. So now we have a beautiful view. Beautiful flowers, beautiful view. So yeah, it's a rooftop right there, and we have all these apartments right here. And this is a pretty massively beautiful building. Okay. This is the same building that we were at, and it's beautiful on this side. From down below, it doesn't really look like it, but here there's like a lot of security. It's a really nice space. Got a security guard just watching me like a hawk right now, so I won't film that anymore. Yeah, this is a really beautiful space. That's what it looks like down below. And also on this side, let me see. This side looks like that. And yeah, this is the whole bridge like that. So yeah, there you go. So, and so straight of the view. I did bring my camera up here another time, so I think I do want to try to capture more over here. There you go. Yeah, that's a beautiful building from this side. It's really beautiful. I didn't realize it was the same one. It's beautiful. Okay. Okay, this is nice. Being up in this space. So I don't know. We'll conclude. I'm gonna see what else I'm gonna try to go to.